Welcome to the Brits Network. I'm Ken, and today on the desk we have the Lego Technic's Mercedes-AMG F1 W14, and this is the pullback version for ages 7+. So this one was actually launched on March 2024. It has a retail price of $26.99, 26 euros and 99 cents, and then 20 Great Britain pounds and 99 cents. That comes out to about 11.2 cents per piece. Let's take a look at the box. All right. This is AMG Petronas Formula One team. Nothing really on the bottom here. On the top, nothing really on the top. In the back of the box, you get a little more detailed view. And an actual vehicle here, actual F1 car. And then on the side, and here just telling you pull it back, it'll take off. And we'll actually test that on the disc. All right, let's dig in. All right, unbox it. You have the tires there. The sticker sheet. Oh Jesus, look at all these stickers. So 26 stickers in total. Yeesh. All right. Manual. All right. This is the pullback mechanism. Bag 1, 2, 4. All right, the box is empty here. Let's chuck it to the side. All right, so we have 4 bags. And then the pullback mechanism. All right, let's have a look at the building instructions, see if there's any cool information. All right, let's kind of scan through here. Back. Okay. So it shows you the other model here, 42171, which is the performance, e-performance version. And I actually have this one, so I'll build that in a future video, but yeah. All right. And a picture of the actual vehicle, the F1. It's a really cool F1 car. Okay, enough gawking. Let's dig into it. Now for the review part of the Mercedes-AMG F1 W14, the pullback version, and this is set number 42165. Now, I'll put this disclaimer, I paid for this with my own money. So what I'm about to say is my honest opinions. First and foremost, I love these Technic pieces. The way they're able to get the shape with the Technic pieces is, quite remarkable. I mean, you can kind of see here the front end, the side view here, and then the rear, the wing, and the exhaust. I mean, it's quite a nice piece, especially for the price of roughly $27 or 27 euros. It's a little pricey, but with the shape, and it does look quite nice. I'm okay paying for that much, especially it's licensed too. So it's a licensed F1 machine. You have all the licensing, the Petronas, AMG, every little thing that the actual car has. All the sponsors is represented here for sure. The only knock, and I mean the only knock that I had about this entire build, two. There's two things. One's really minor, and then the second one, there's one major thing, and then there's one minor thing. So the first major thing is these wheels. They're the same size. I mean, at this point, honestly, Lego can give us some smaller tires for the front, just to make it more realistic. I mean, they produce so many of these sets that just manufacture a small front wheel. I mean, it's not that, I don't see why it's so difficult. They make tons of money from us Lego enthusiasts, that they can afford to manufacture a smaller front wheel. Especially, I've seen a bunch more F1 sets in the pipeline that come out in March of next year. I think it would be a worthwhile investment for them. The one minor thing that I have is this piece here. Now, this is supposed to lay back a bit more, and according to the photos, but because this plastic piece that you have to bend is so tight that it actually pulls this up a bit. Now, that's a minor gripe, of course, but I figured I'd point it out. There are no printed pieces in this set whatsoever. Everything you see here is stickers. And I'm sure you heard me comment when I opened the box and I saw that sticker sheet that, yeah, I know it's going to be in for a long ride. All right, put the camera back a little bit so I can check out this pullback function and see if it actually works. Hopefully I don't damage anything, but hey, that's what we're here for. All right, let's give it a go. Okay, maybe let me pull it back a little bit more. Let's see. That was lackluster. Okay. Got a little speed to it. Representative of the Formula One cars. All right, I like it. So there you have it, the review of set 42165's Mercedes-AMG F1, the pullback version. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, comment, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this channel and you a Lego enthusiast like I am, please consider subscribing. To the next one. Thank you guys. Peace.